Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Guys, are you hot like me? Oh my god. Guys, it is hot. Well, here in California, we are now hitting our heat wave here. I know you guys had it since July and August, and you know what? Oh my god, can we not take another moment of this heat? So that's okay, I got you covered. Well, today guys, I'm doing an unboxing of my favorite company. You already know who that company is, right? That's right, NewAir. Guys, they got you covered. So I'm going to review another evaporative cooler. Remember, I had one a year ago. I've been using it faithfully every single solitary day because this heat is so out of control. You can see me now, I'm already sweating. All right guys, so I'm going to unbox this, and this one is an updated one, so I'm going to show you all the features. It's almost the same features, but I'm going to go through it again just in case you didn't see the last video. And this is a cooler, it's not a fan. Okay, I've been testing it. It is a difference between a fan and an evaporative cooler. What the difference is, you can add water and ice packs. Is optional to bring up the cool air, and it pushes out towards you. Okay guys, so let's start unboxing this product. So I came dying to show you. Look at me guys, look at me. So I can imagine how you're feeling, and I'm near the coast, so I can imagine you in your hot state, especially down in the southern states. Okay, I know you guys is going nuts with all this heat. Yes you are, but that's okay. Let's unbox this cooler. All right guys, let's get started. All right guys, I'm going to get the assistance from my grandson to help me with this. Guys, I'm going to read you the key features. The cyclone circulation technology enhances the oscillation of natural evaporative cooling. It's a slim fit design, yes it is, and it's portable handle for easy movement. As you can see, the wheels, it does move, but it does lock. Portable air conditioner features lightweight design and removable water tank. So the water tank, guys, is 1.45 gallons. The clean contemporary design enhances home decor, which is true. It's nice black and silver. You know, those are usually my theme. And also it says the remote control is for easy access to a 9-hour timer and 3 fan speeds. Natural evaporative cooling costs less than traditional air conditioning. Please check the map to see if you're in the correct zone for an evaporated cooler. Okay, so this is your filters. You take the filters out when you want to clean it. It pops up. See that? So I just clean mine in the sink. Also, this one here, you can take this out, clean it as well. You do that when you turn it off. So you clean it, you take it out, pop it out. You put it back down, just make sure it is turned to the lock position. And then you put these in the slots here. Make sure this is a slot, then they just snap in place. Your water tank, 1.45 gallon. So you turn it this direction, you pull this out, you fill your tank up. It has a water level from here to max, all the way down to minimum. Make sure it does not go below that. It will let you know if it goes below that. At least try to keep it. I try to keep mine between here and here. Do not let that go over. You don't want to damage your machine. And you put the ice packs, go on this side. Ice packs, they go on a wide part of it on that side. And of course you're going to take this out. You close it back up. This has a filter here. Actually, this here filter, I actually put essential drops on here, like peppermint or whatever. I put it here. You don't want anything in here. So just place that on, close it back up, and at the bottom, you turn it, and it locks in place. So that's all it is. This remote control comes with the features, the same features on the remote as on the machine. Just check your owner's manual to see how the features work. It also has a timer on the machine which goes up to 8 hours. That is the difference between the last one and this one. The upgraded version goes to 8 hours timer. Hey guys, so this fan is different from the other one. So this is the upgraded version from the one that I had before, but you still have the same features. You got your on button, your fan speed, your mode, your oscillate, your cooler, your humidifier, and your lights on off. And then when you plug it, it's all digital here. So let's turn it on. Oh, I can feel that already. This is your fan speed. We want to hit it again. And this is your fan speed 2 and 3. You can hear it. It's oscillating. Oh my God, I can feel the difference already. So now this is quite different. The interface is so different. Your water level, this is your max and this is your minimum. Do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that? Yes. Oh, easy breezy, easy peasy. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. Don't forget, thank you, NewAir, for this cooler, so the rest of the family can be cool, because the other one, you know, I keep in my bedroom. I don't share my NewAir. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. It's your Mooregirl.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time to let